Mr. Cundy, what's your reaction now that the first day is well underway with your potted palms here?
Well, the reaction is, my reaction is actually good to this experiment. It looks like everything is running along fine, smooth, don't see any problems that we didn't anticipate. There are a few little things that we'll have to clean up tonight, and we'll take care of them.
Mr. Cundy, you've had some pretty first-rate traffic jams here today, haven't you?
I wouldn't say they're any worse than our normal traffic jams, Keith. Looking down on Flagler Street there right now, you can see a situation where the tremendous numbers of people are walking back and forth across the crosswalk legally, which makes us happy, and the traffic actually is moving, although there are waits that you have to take care of.
Do you really think that even though your traffic is narrowed down by almost 2 lanes in some spots that you're going to be able to keep the foliage here?
Yes, to a limited extent, Keith. As you can see down there, actually on Miami Avenue, all we really had was 2 full lanes of moving traffic at any one time. The lane on the west side of the street, or to your left, looking at it here, was a parking lane for commercial vehicles to load and unload goods. So actually, we still have 2 lanes of moving traffic.
How long did you anticipate leaving the plantings up on Miami Avenue and Flagler Street?
Keith, we anticipated leaving the plantings up at least for the balance of this week. And by that time, we'll be able to have proved our point one way or another.
After today's experience, what do you predict?
It looks like we're going to have some plantings downtown sometime in the future to beautify Flagler Street, because we find that it does not interrupt traffic too much. That is my prediction.